72 convertible Impala LS3 swap. Looking at maybe almost 600. If y'all got these nice, pretty stainless steel bendable hoses, take them off your car and put them in the trash can because they leak, y'all. So what we did is we ordered a silicone hose. These are the type of clamps right here that we gonna use, y'all. And I mean, you do the math. You tell me what's gonna hold that pipe better. I think it's good, man. What you think, Chris?
It's looking nice under there.
Hey, man, y'all heard him, man. So next thing next. That's what I'm talking about. I'm satisfied, you too, you too. I know how important it is to make sure your LS swap don't run hot. You put a lot of money in your LS swap. I know you want to be able to drive it anywhere. Today, YouTube, I'm going to show you how to make your LS swap cooling system last forever. After watching this video, you ain't going to ever have to worry about your LS swap running hot again. You probably ain't going to never have to spend another dime on your LS swap cooling system. But before we do that, I want to ask you a question. How would you like to know how to do an LS swap in an old school car that run like this? Get our own wiring. And we show y'all how to do the wiring, YouTube. Step by step. Step by step, YouTube. Everything you need to know. Now let's swap, baby. Got both donks in the garage now, man. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notification bell. Let CHEVYS R US help you do your LS swap, YouTube. We a family, man. We gonna do this thing together. Y'all ready? Let's get it, YouTube. YouTube, this your boy, Tone coming back at y'all one more again, YouTube, with another great video on CHEVYS R US, man. Y'all already know what time it is, man. We in the garage, and guess what? Ain't nothing nobody can do about it, YouTube. Let's get it. All right, YouTube. I got the 72 LS swap Impala right here. And we out here, man, get ready to get a little work done. I'm excited today because today we getting ready to show y'all how to make your LS swap cooling system indestructible. Yeah, that's right, man. We recently put a radiator in this 72 convertible Impala, and we tied up the hoses and everything, and we was just testing it out. And now we got more leaks. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. One thing is, man, if you got these stainless steel bendable coolant hoses, man, hey, take them off, man. Throw them in the trash can, man. Yeah, they look nice and pretty. They look good, but let me tell you something. These things leak like I don't know what, man. And this don't look like a good connection. You know what I'm saying? You just got this rubber piece. It's clamped on this end and clamped on that end. You know what I'm saying? And they leak. They leak. So what we did is we ordered a silicone hose. As you can see, yeah, we're going to need to modify it slightly. But that's okay. We can modify it to where it'll work with our specific application. And if we have to cut it and make it smaller, we have some hose barbs right here. Let me show you. Now you can see right here. This is the hose barb that we're gonna use to cut this hose down and just slip both ends on here and put 2 clamps on it to make it shorter. And then the bottom one look like it'll just fit right away. And just so you know, these are the top and bottom radiator hoses for a 2007 Tahoe with a 5.3 liter. So this looks like it's just gonna connect right up, the bottom one. So we'll just have to modify this one. And these are the type of clamps right here that we're gonna use, y'all. These are the T-clamps. They use these T-clamps in a lot of marine applications and also a lot of like tractors and stuff like that. These are heavy duty clamps right here. This is what we're gonna be using whenever we put this system back together, and not these ordinary C-clamps. Let me show you. These are just the ordinary C-clamps, which I know you see right here. And I mean, you do the math. You tell me what's gonna hold that pipe better. This right here or this right here. So I know we going with these right here, YouTube. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this trash up out of here, man. I'm gonna drain the cooling system from the bottom radiator hose, and then I'll take these lines off, and we'll be back in a minute, YouTube. All right? Man, hey, I got this out. This stainless steel. You know what I'm saying? We got this, man. This ain't no good, man. Hey, look, man, if y'all got these nice, pretty stainless steel bendable hoses, do yourself a favor. Take them off your car and put them in the trash can because they leak, y'all. All right, YouTube. Look at that bottom silicone hose, man. Fitting in there like it was born. You know what I'm saying? It fits perfectly. It got a little bend right there, but not enough to restrict it. Only thing I did is I cut this off right here. I cut about an inch and a half off. And man, that sucker fit in there perfect. So now all I gotta do is put the clamps in. So let me do that, and I'll be back in a minute, YouTube. All right, there is the final product right there, man. The top radiator hose, man, we had to shorten it. We put our barb on the inside and just put clamps right there. I wasn't able to use the T-clamps all the way around. I went all around town looking for these, man, and I only found one at the Tractor Supply. But you can probably order them. So we took these out. You know, these don't seal good at all. Look down up in there, man. They keep leaking. They busted, and they just ain't no good. They look pretty, but they don't work. So this is what we did, YouTube. The bottom radiator hose out the 2007 Tahoe, it fit right in there. I just had to cut like an inch or two off this part right here, and it fit in there and bought it right up. So I think it's good, man. What you think, Chris?
It's looking nice under there. It's looking good.
You think she gonna leak, man?
Nah. I think it's tightened up.
Hey, man, y'all heard him, man. So next, I'm gonna get this car pulled out the garage, and then we're gonna get it filled up with fluid. And hopefully, man, Chris will be here, man. Maybe Chris can go for a ride with me, man.
I would love to.
All right. All right, we'll be back in a minute, YouTube. All right, YouTube. There it is, man. Got the red hoses all nice and tight. Y'all see that T-clamp right there, man? That's gonna hold good, real good. It hold better than the regular clamps. But It don't look like anything is leaking. It's been running for about maybe 20, 25 minutes or so. So we getting ready to take it up the road for a test drive, y'all. That way we can make sure, you know, it ain't leaking when we put some pressure on it, YouTube. So we'll be back in a minute. Now, YouTube. We just out going on a little scroll, you know what I'm saying? Make sure it's right, YouTube. Looking at the temperature. We out here idling in traffic. Make sure it ain't running hot. All that there, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. LS3 swap is riding pretty good, y'all. Now that's what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? You can't go wrong with silicone radiator hoses over that stainless steel stuff that look good. You know what I'm saying? My silicone still look good in there. All right, YouTube. We drove it around for about an hour. You don't see nothing leaking. Yeah, look good, man. You don't see no leaks. You know what I'm saying? That's still on there. Still solid. Yeah, I don't see nothing leaking around there. That's where that hose barb is in there from where I shortened the hose. So I had to put that hose barb in there to tie it back together. But there ain't nothing leaking. It all looks good. Look at that bottom radiator hose, man. That sucker fit on there perfect. You just order the radiator. You can just order a bottom radiator hose out of Tahoe and cut about 1 inch off of it. It'll fit right in the dome. Look at that, man. I call that a win-win. Now you got a bulletproof LS-swap cooling system. Hey, man, if you like this video, hey, go ahead, man, and click on that link in the top right corner. YouTube!